Hello guys, this is Alex the Grumpy One, and this is just a quick video that I've been asked to do on the auxiliary belt tension, if it's the right tension or not. I was going to do it on the Audi 1.9 TDI or 2-litre TDI, but unfortunately there isn't enough room to do it without taking it apart. At least on this one I can actually show you how you need to do it. I mean, there's adjustments. Usually you get either automatic tensioners, which this has got, or you got adjustment of the tension on the alternator or on the power steering pump, but usually it's alternator that got the adjustment on it on the older cars. But anyway, what I want to show you is obviously how to find out if it's the right tension. So what you need to do is, on this one it's quite easy because at the top you need to find the longest distance between the pulleys, and when you find the longest distance you need to try and bend it. And the general rule is you need to bend it 90 degrees and you shouldn't really go anymore. As you can see here, just with your fingers pressure to 90 degrees, and like I'm showing you here, it won't go any more than 90 degrees. That is a good tension. And also check it for cracks or anything, but like I say, look close, 90 degrees and it won't go anymore. There's good tension. Don't do it on the short part. You can do it on, if pulley would have been here, that wouldn't be enough to do 90 obviously. That's what I'm saying, find the longest part of the belt and do 90 degrees, because if there's loose tension or if it's too tight, you're going to cause wear. If it's too tight, you're going to cause a wear on your pulleys. You're going to put too much pressure on your bearings on the pulleys, on the water pump, or etc. If it's too loose, your battery light might come on that it's not charging properly because it's not turning the alternator properly, or your power steering might become hard because it's not turning that, it's slipping on the pulley. So that is the main rule, how to check it. And like I say, if you got automatic tensioner, it's automatically adjusted, but if you got the alternator adjustment, sometimes you have to adjust that to make sure it's right. And on the Audis, the tensioners do actually fail quite often and they start making a lot of noise, so I would definitely look at that. But also the belt with age, it might stretch as well, so replacing the belt sometimes might fix the problem. But like I say, if it's adjustable, please adjust it first and that will fix your problem. So thank you very much for watching this video guys. Subscribe, like my videos, comment below. You can request me to make another videos, and like I said, I don't mind doing it when I got time. So thank you very much for watching this, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.